Hello and welcome to this month's operations report for CFA Region 2 here at Bendigo, and we bring you the report from Rosslyn Park Gardens this evening, where thousands of flying foxes are in the background, so hopefully you can pick up those. Firstly, the fire danger period restrictions were lifted here on the 22nd of March in the City of Greater Bendigo, Campaspe, Mitchell, Mount Alexander, Central Goldfields and Loddon municipalities. And they come off just after Easter on the 6th of April in the Pyrenees and Northern Grampian Shires. The boundary realignment project will mean that names will change as of the 1st of July, so people will have to get used to no more Northwest area, and we will all become part of a new entity known as the Loddon Mallee region. And Region 2 will also disappear, and we will be part of District 2 with its headquarters to be in Bendigo. Boundary alignment meetings are currently being held with captains and group officers to determine the future group boundaries in District 2, and we're hoping to have that work completed by July 1. New stickers have been distributed to put in appliances to show the communications channels, which will be in place for the next while, and also there's been a summary of all the changes that have occurred in CFA in the last 12 months has been distributed to all members, so people should have received that by now. For township protection plans and neighbourhood safer places, those plans that were completed by us prior to the summer, as they are approved by municipalities, the hard copies of those are being circulated to members of those townships, so people might hear of that occurring as those approvals are granted by council. All of the state aircraft have now finished up in Bendigo, so all those have now completed their contracts. And DSC burning has been taking place over the last month or so right across the state, with many burns happening in our part of the world. And we would again remind people that it's a great opportunity for particularly our young firefighters to learn some skills. And if you get the chance to approach DSC on a local level, particularly brigade to work centre, and make those connections and learn when the burns are going to take place, and then that will be a great opportunity for people. That planning is done normally 12 months in advance, so if we make those connections we'll find out when they're going to be. The Stepping Stones Leadership Program for female members is on again at Hatter, and that's the 14th to the 16th of May. And there are still a couple of spots left on that, so if people are keen to be involved in that, then please make your application through training as quick as you can. Some future meeting dates: the 31st of March is when the RPC will decide on CSESP applications from brigades. The 29th of April will be the next operations subcommittee, and that will be held at Region 2. On the 18th of May, the next group officers teleconference will be held. And on the 6th of June there will be the all-day RPC subcommittee planning day, which will be held at Region 2 headquarters at Bendigo. From a vehicle point of view, the CSESP applications have just closed, and we'll be considering those in the near future. Priorities are set on our regional level, then they go to an area level, and then to a state level, so good luck to all who have put in for applications for that. From a CFA People News point of view, our thoughts are with the family of the former president of the Riola Fire Brigade, Mr Mervyn Mason, who passed away on the 1st of March after illness that he had. And Ops Officer Craig Britton is having some hard-earned leave during this month, and Relieving Ops Officer Alan Hewson will be filling his position as Officer in Charge of the Bendigo Fire Station. So that's all for this month. So until next month, from a guano-soaked Rosslyn Park, hope that all is well, and we'll catch you next month.